5 How Chat AI will replace tech jobs. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic that has been generating a lot of buzz lately: the potential impact of Chat AI on tech jobs. As more and more companies adopt Chat AI solutions to automate their customer service, marketing, and sales processes, some experts predict that many traditional tech jobs could become obsolete in the near future. But how likely is this scenario? And what can current and aspiring tech professionals do to stay ahead of the curve and adapt to the changing landscape of the industry? We'll answer these questions and more in this thought-provoking video, so make sure to stick around until the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Automation of customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are already in use in many industries for customer service purposes. As Chat AI technology improves, it's likely that customer service jobs in the tech industry will become redundant. Chat AI can handle many of the tasks that customer service representatives currently perform, such as answering simple questions, providing basic information, and even resolving issues. This means that companies can reduce their customer service teams and save money by using Chat AI. Number 2. Programming and testing. One of the most significant impacts of Chat AI on tech jobs will be in the programming and testing fields. As Chat AI technology improves, it will become better at programming itself and identifying bugs in the code. This means that many programming and testing jobs may become redundant, and companies may not need as many human programmers and testers to develop and maintain their software. Number 3. Data entry and analysis. Chat AI can be used to automate data entry and analysis tasks. This means that companies can reduce their data entry teams and save money by using Chat AI to handle these tasks. Chat AI can also analyze data more quickly and accurately than humans, which means that companies can make more informed decisions based on the insights generated by Chat AI. Number 4. Translation. Translation is another area where Chat AI can replace human workers. Chat AI can translate languages more quickly and accurately than humans, which means that companies can reduce their translation teams and save money by using Chat AI. Chat AI can also provide real-time translation services, which can be invaluable in industries such as tourism and hospitality. Number 5. IT support. Chat AI can provide IT support to employees and customers. This means that companies can reduce their IT support teams and save money by using Chat AI to handle these tasks. Chat AI can handle many of the routine IT support tasks, such as resetting passwords and troubleshooting issues, which means that human IT support staff can focus on more complex issues. In conclusion, Chat AI is likely to have a significant impact on the tech industry, and many jobs may become redundant as Chat AI technology improves. Companies can save money by using Chat AI to handle routine tasks, and Chat AI can provide faster and more accurate results than humans in many cases. However, it's important to note that Chat AI will not replace all tech jobs, and there will still be a need for human workers in areas such as software development and project management. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this topic. I would love to hear your opinions and insights. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to us and helps us create more amazing content. Thanks again for tuning in.